As AI technology continues to revolutionize the way we develop software, finding the right free AI APIs has become a game changer for developers looking to streamline their workflow. In this video, we'll explore the best free AI APIs available in 2026, so you can unlock the power of AI and boost your productivity. First up, let's talk about the importance of AI APIs. These APIs enable developers to integrate AI capabilities into their applications without having to build the underlying technology from scratch. By leveraging these APIs, you can save time and resources while still delivering innovative features to your users. One of the leading free AI APIs is Google Cloud's AutoML. This platform provides a range of machine learning models that can be easily integrated into applications, allowing developers to build custom AI models without extensive expertise. Let's take a look at how to get started with AutoML.